Alright, so I have myself a flat tire this morning, and this here is the reason. So I'm going to show you how to use one of those tire plug kits that you can get at lots of stores. So I'm just going to get to it. So here you can see its actual screw. Now, there's not a lot of air in this tire, so that's okay. I can put some in here, but I'm going to illustrate how you can do it without putting air in. So first thing you want to do is get everything ready. So you have this here, which once you remove the screw, you poke a hole in what's already a hole, but you're going to make it a little larger, and it is actually going to make it rough. The reason being is that you're going to put this in, which is going to be a tight fit. So basically all I'm doing is threading it through like a thread through needle. Okay. And then it's going to go in like this, and then when you pull it out, it's going to release. So I like to have everything all set, especially when you have low air, because you're not going to have a lot of time. And I'm pretty generous with the glue. Okay. All right, so here goes. Good size. Okay, I'm ready, Freddy. I can already hear that the air is not escaping. So, see how I put it? It almost went all the way in, but it didn't quite go all the way in. And I just pull it out. There you go. And that's it. See how it's sticking out a little bit? Now the road, as you drive on the road, it'll shave it down. Some people like to shave it down. You don't really have to.